Alright guys, this is 9:37 right now, the time is. Alright folks, this is Amtrak 529 going to San Jose Deardown Station with a SC44 supercharger leading off. I believe this is 2123 with 8301 or something. 2123. Yeah, I was right. Alright, that train is going to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Alright folks, the time is almost 10 o'clock. This is the 528 Capital Corridor train going to Sacramento. At Fruitvale Avenue, we got a cat car leading on there. This train will be flying by here. Once again, this is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 528. He is going to Sacramento. Oh, it's 8310 Mount Hamilton. Alright, 8310. Alright, 8310 Mount Hamilton by Stockard and 2105 SC44. That train is going to Sacramento. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.